bird on the street.
I am super excited for like all the events that are coming. So like homecoming week, I'm living in my sorority house this year, so I'm super excited to like just be a part of like everything like Festival ISU.
I think what I'm most excited for this semester at school is to finally be doing stuff more towards my major, taking a lot of new classes.
Okay, so I think the thing I would be most excited about, because I didn't do it last year, was main stage shows. My freshman year I was a little bit more conservative, didn't really do a lot of the extracurricular activities that most theater, acting, director, designer majors do. So that's pretty much what I'm looking forward to, actually getting into the program, doing the extracurriculars that are a part of it, and being in some shows.
I guess I'm most excited to start my senior year and just have everyone back on campus.
I'm looking forward to all the new people I'm going to meet, because this is such a really big campus and there's so many people that are here, so yeah, that's what I'm really excited about, making friends.
Well, I've been out of school for 5 years, so just to get back into the thick of things, get a nice big studio space and get to work.
Definitely new friendships, and then the ultimate Frisbee season that's coming up. Definitely excited about that, and water polo too. Go Redbirds.